This game was going to be a big game regardless.
We have to beat our division opponents.
This is another game in our division we need to win.
This is one of those games we know we're out. We know at the end of the day we're going home. Let's see if we can go win one game.
There's a lot of things that are important in this football game for this football team, and the team knows that already.
First things first is get this W.
You're going to see a lot of fights.
Set ourselves going into the next year with a winning record and knowing that we are a winning team.
We can play with anybody. We've proven that all year long.
We can't go out there and bounce back by beating Houston, and that's what we're going to do.
If we get this win, we'll be 9-7, tied with the Texans.
I think that's significant, a significant statement.
Finishing the season on the right note, showing people what to expect in 2017.
It will be the first win in 2017 for us. Just give us some momentum going into next year.
It's going to start with getting this win right now, especially against a division opponent.
We got to just finish out this game strong and try to get the win. We still have a lot to play for, and I think guys will be ready to play.
Ain't no sense leaving the gun loaded. If you got it in there, you got to use it. We'll use everything we can to try to win the game, do whatever we can to try to get it done.
Even though Houston's still going to go, we're going to make sure that they feel a little sore about themselves.
We're going for number 9. Our true winning season.
Our point is to finish 9-7 in your mind.
It's all that matters right now.
Yeah, I mean, is
It's
that
the only thing that matters right now.